In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a velocity effect using CapCut. Click New Project. Select a video of your choosing. I selected like 4 different videos. Once you're done, go ahead and select Add. Before I start editing, I always go all the way to the end of the video. Delete that last part. CapCut always add like a black screen that has their logo. Now we could get down to business. When you're creating your velocity effect, you need to first decide if you're going to use your audio or if you're going to be using another audio. But as for me, I will be taking out the audio from the video. So I have like 4 different type of clips. So I'm going to click on the first clip. If you want to do this too, you could go ahead and do it with me. Select Extract Audio. Once I select it, press delete. Alright, so now I'm going to select my second clip because each of these clips have their own audio. Click on Extract Audio, click on the audio, click delete. Extract audio, delete. The last clip, extract audio. I extracted all the audio. Now the next step is to add the music. First, click on Add Audio, select Sounds, Music from your device.
I miss that sexy smile.
Actually, I want to cut the beginning of the song. Select the song, split it. Yeah, so I want to start it from here, and I'm going to move the song all the way to the beginning of the video. And voila.
Looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just as
once you got the music that you want, now you could start doing the velocity effect. To create the velocity effect, click on the video, click on Style. Once you select Style, click on Auto Velocity. Voila.
looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just as loving you.
I added the effect to the first clip, but remember I added like 4 different clips. So I'm going to add the velocity effect in the other clips. I'm going to click on this clip, Auto Velocity. Style, Auto Velocity. Style, Auto Velocity.
Looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just as loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby. It's the right we already know. And we're feeling. I really do. I said the truth. We can't go any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom. Let's play it how you like.
Okay, perfect. As you can see, my video ended here and the music is still going. Select your audio. Once you select your audio, click split, delete it. So now my audio ended at the same time of the video. You could also add a fade out effect to the audio.
Looking for any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom. Let's play it how you
All right. The next step is to select the audio. Click Match Cut. Select Auto Generate. Make sure to select Beat 2. If you notice in the audio, it added a bunch of yellow dots. These yellow dots are actually the beat. Like for example, I'm going to add a transition in between the beat. Right here, see where the beat hit? I will select Edit, then click on Split. Click on that white handle right there. Once I select the white handle, I could select any of these transitions. You're free to select any transition. Like I said, this is the fun part. You could manipulate it however you want. But as for me, I will select the flash effect. Did you see that? So every time you split the video, you could add anything you want to it. You could add a transition, you could add an effect, you could zoom in to the video, make your creativity go wild on this one. Let me go ahead and just add another transition to it. Click Edit, select Split, click on that white handle. I will be sticking to the flash transition. And you can always edit the transitions. For example, I'm going to go back to the first transition. If I want to, I could change it to a different one. I don't like this one, but I just wanted to show you guys that you could change it. Let me add a transition there. It's a bit strong. You know what? Let me go back to flashes because it's a bit strong. I'm just going to add transition in between the clips. When it comes to the transitions, you have a lot of options. For example, if I click on this one, the transition I just added, you don't have to add these transitions. You could select from camera, social media, MG, slide, effect, the mask. Let's see how that look. You see that? Let's check this one out. There's so many different effects and transitions that you can add to manipulate the velocity effect. But I would just be going back to selecting the flashes. You could clearly see how crazy and creative you could make yours look. And one more thing I forgot to mention, you could slow down the music if you wanted to. Select the music. Once you select the music, click on speed, slow it down. You could change the pitch as well by going back to the speed and click on pitch. Looking forward to see feel like a DJ. I could make the song go faster as well. Oh yeah, but I don't want to do that at all. So let me change it back to normal.
Looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. 'Cause I was loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby, it's the right thing, I already know. And we feel it, I really do, I said the truth. We can't go any road. Need you now.
I'm going to stop it there. Once you're done, click export. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have more videos just like this one coming up. Turn on that notification bell. Before you go, if you're interested in watching more videos about CapCut, make sure to click on this video that you're about to see on the screen. Alright, so my name is Edgy, and I'll see you later.
Looking forward to see you.